Hi guys, I saw you guys liked the video about guns you shouldn't buy and should buy. Now, let's look at the shop again. This is what you shouldn't buy. No paintball gun. No minigun. Don't buy grenade or flamethrower. Those are all rip-off. Exogun. Like, all these good weapons are rip-off. Trowel isn't a rip-off. Subspace Tripman, I don't know what would be a rip-off. I saved that for medkit, so yeah. This will be a quick one too. Yeah, so just if you go to Korea collection, these are the ones that I don't have. Standard weapons are still really good. The prime weapons, what it's called. I mean, look, you can see that we got the AR. Like, I will literally go in a match. Even though I'll probably lose because there's so many tryhards. I'll go on a match and I'll use the AR. It's quite good. I'll go on a match and then I'll show you what it is, and then I'll just end the video there because it's going to be a quick one. And I saw you guys really liked it, and I also got a subscriber for it. Thank you very much, you guys. Thank you. Road to 50 subscribers. Come on, we can do it. Oh no, another try hard. See, look at my lobbies. I have AR right now. Alright, I'll show you. Okay, I'm not trolling anymore. Let me beat this dude's win streak. Got a 42 win streak. Nah, what is this? Nah, this is an absolute sweat. See, guys, these are Sully's lobbies right now. These are Sully's lobbies. Let me put the master volume down. He's tripping. Alright, put it down, guys. Alright, boys, yeah. This dude is an absolute hacker, like, as you can see. Nah, what is this kid, mate? These are my lobbies. Oh my god. 222 PC. jeez. Alright, well, that's all these lobbies, and they're just too sweaty. Alright, well, I hope you guys know that AI is good. Just, you know, they buffed up. I think they buffed it. No, they didn't. I hate this new update. Not even joking, man. All the they took away. If you the farther you are, the less damage you do, which is very sucks. Well, guys, hope proved your instance of buying paintball that AI is better. And if you don't think AI is better, comment down below and like the video and subscribe, and I would make another video of me actually testing it out. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright.